Whether you need to book a work meeting, a team call, manage your beauty salon, your yoga studio, or your digital classroom, or even rent out your guest house, Paperform has you covered. With Paperform's appointments, you can automate your schedule, manage your availability, connect your calendars and your teams, take payments, and so much more. Let's take a look. G'day there, Alex here from Paperform, and in this video, we are going to look at the options available for the appointment field, used to accept bookings and appointments in Paperform. Together, we are going to learn how you can transform the way you manage your scheduling, appointments, and bookings in order to save time so you can focus on the more important aspects of your business, or of course, spend it with loved ones. Now, you can also connect a Google Calendar to control your availability and create events, keeping you informed always. Even better, you can connect multiple calendars so you can bring your entire team under one roof. Here, in this example, I have created a booking form for my team. I can share this form directly with customers or embed it into my website. Let's see the form in action. The customer provides their personal details. Then they choose a consultant, are shown that consultant's calendar. Then they book a time on the calendar. After this, they make a payment and complete their booking. They are shown a personalized confirmation page and automatically sent a custom booking confirmation email, as well as an invoice receipt, and an event is added to the connected calendar. With flexible configuration options, you can use Paperform's appointments to schedule anything from a boring old work meeting to a team workshop, and even rent out your cute bed and breakfast. Now, creating an appointment field is simple using Paperform's shortcut / commands. Just typing a /, searching for appointment, and selecting the highlighted option. There is no limit to the number of appointment fields you can create. You can include an individual appointment field for each member of your team. Now, navigating to an appointment field's configuration, let me show you what is possible. Firstly, like any question field in Paperform, you can set visibility logic to determine when the appointment field should be visible. Just like I have done in this team booking form. A submitter selects a team member they want to book a consultation with, and they are only shown that team member's calendar, avoiding back and forth emails trying to find the right person. It is from the settings tab that you can control the visibility of your appointment field, connected calendars, the time zone, and best to note that the time zone shown to the submitter will be their current location, unless you enable lock time zone, which will then show your selected appointment time zone here. Also, the time format and the appointment mode, which allows you to adjust between days and minutes. Days for hotel reservations, accommodations, rental services, and more, and minutes for just about anything. You can easily connect your Google Calendar and let the appointment field check when you are available, ensuring you aren't double booked. You can connect up to 10 calendars and bring your whole team in, keeping everyone informed and simplifying your calendar management. When a booking is completed, an event is automatically created if your calendar is connected, and all invited persons are sent an email invite, which you can easily configure from event details. And of course, use your respondent's answers through answer piping to personalize the invite and include important details. You can even set a start time interval, avoiding overlapping bookings. And you can configure the length of a booking or allow your submitter to decide. If other people need to be in the know, you can include email addresses here and again pull in your submitter's responses, ensuring that everyone who needs to know is in the know. You can configure your availability directly within Paperform and even block out dates you are not available. And take it even further by configuring how long in advance a booking can be made and the maximum number of bookings that can be made in a single day. With flexible configuration options and the ability to automate your schedule, Paperform enables you to transform the way you manage your appointments and bookings, and it doesn't end there. You can even calculate a price depending on an appointment length using custom pricing rules. Then connect your payment gateway and capture a payment directly. With Paperform's after submission actions, you can customize the success or confirmation page and include your submitter's responses and appointment details. You can use Paperform's custom emails to create and send personalized booking confirmations automatically when the booking is completed, as well as use custom PDFs to generate a customized invoice receipt, and even generate and send a document to be signed with our eSignature solution, Papersign. By navigating to integrations and webhooks, you can connect to your favorite apps and trigger actions to occur automatically when a booking is made, like creating a customer in HubSpot, updating your client tracking spreadsheet, or sending out a reservation reminder text message via ClickSend. And we are still not done. Take advantage of Paperform's powerful calculations feature, which allows you to combine Excel-style functions in order to manipulate, transform, and format your submitter's responses, like I have done here to format the appointment date and time, ensuring readability. You can change the booking behavior and build interactive experiences that keep your submitters engaged and leave a lasting impression. Want to learn more? Then check out our appointments guide, linked in the description of this video, or reach out to a member of our support team who are highly trained in the product and always eager to answer your questions, or just to have a chat. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos and updates on everything Paperform. Good luck.